Cold weather got you down? Wish you were back on the beach? Try our Sunrise Martini. It'll take you right back to the Bahamas with your feet in the sand and that cold, refreshing taste of the tropics. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. On this channel, we teach you all about celebrating. We show you recipes for food and hors d'oeuvres, cocktails, and we share entertaining tips too. Now we try and keep it all very, very simple, especially for those of you who say that you just can't entertain, because we know you really can. So if you like this episode, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and watch a new episode every single week. Today, our celebration begins with our favorite thing, a cocktail. Now, several of you have been posting on our Facebook page about how it's cold and dark and dreary, it's not Christmas yet, and it's so horrible and you miss the summer. So, I'm going to give you a little taste of the tropics today. We're making a Sunrise Martini. So let's get started. Shaker full of ice, as always. We're going to start with coconut rum. That certainly tastes of the tropics. Now, like all cocktail recipes, you can make this with ounces or parts. Parts will give you, if you do a cup, it'll give you lots of it. But we're going to do ounces today. This recipe will give you 2 cocktails. 4 ounces of coconut rum. Right there. All right, we'll put that aside. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Another taste of the tropics. I love these little cans. All right. Right over the ice. Now this could be a sweet drink, so to cut that, I'm going to use 2 ounces of vodka. Use whatever vodka you like. Okay, right in. Now here comes the fun part. Shaky, shaky. Here we go. All right, now let's hope I can get this off. Yay. All righty. Like always, chill glasses. You know, I like to keep them in the freezer, and that's my pump. But if you can't, some ice water will do it. And we're going to strain this because it gets foamy, and we're going to double strain it. That's going to get all those little pesky little ice crystals out too. There we go. All right. Luscious. This is a beautiful color, just as is. All righty. Okay. Now we're not quite done. A little bit of grenadine, about 1/2 ounce in each glass. Just slowly pour it in. You push this up a bit so you can see easier. Just a little dribble, just like that. And it goes right down on the bottom. It makes them pretty. Now we're going to garnish this with a couple maraschino cherries and some pineapple. You could be fancy and try and do this type of thing, but I'm just going to plunk them in because I really want to taste this. So here we go. Cheers. Mm. Yeah, that's some good stuff. This is definitely a taste of tropics. It's perfect for a cold, dark night. So that is our cocktail recipe for today. Now, as always, guys, we're going to have this recipe up in the comments section on YouTube. And please write us and make comments at youtube.com/Let's Celebrate TV. Like I said before, follow us on Facebook. We love hearing from you on Facebook. And send us pictures of your cocktails and your other celebrations. Facebook.com/Let's Celebrate TV. That's our episode. I'll see you again next Tuesday at 7. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Cheers.